Barbie Fortesa update. Yung pa-black screening ng Abby nun kay Barbie. Just sa the red carpet sa Shangri-La. At kasama niya dyan si Boots and Sunrowa. Ito yung video.
And first, I want to say thank you. Please help us give a warm and heartfelt welcome to the talented and beautiful Miss Barbie Fortesa.
Ayan o.
And esteemed and graceful Miss Boots and Sunrowa Rodrigo.
Ginawin na sila Barbie. At si Miss Boots. Congrats kila Barbie at Miss Boots. And nilayan pa ni Barbie po ba? Yes, Miss Boots.
Thank you so much. We really appreciate your time and your efforts being here. And may I just say, sa lahat po ng screenings na na-attend namin, ito yung this is the most reaction that we got from the film. Like, everyone was so engaged with the film. Nakakatawa, walang nagpo-phone, walang like, sobrang, wala po kasi talagang masyadong anything grand or anything action sa pelikula namin. It's a very quiet film, very subtle, pero punong-puno ng pagmamahal. At ang buong sinihan ito, naramdaman ng pagmamahal na iyon. And so, thank you so much. And Happy Women's Month. And no better way to celebrate it than with the iconic Miss Boots and Sunrowa.
Thank you, Barbie. Thank you. Well, to our sponsors, the Avignon Travel Days, thank you very much for putting the showing together. Salamat po sa lahat ng mga pumunta dito. Pabanggitin ko na yung mga kasama namin. I have my two brothers with me, Nonoy and Alvin Anson, and Yan Yang, and our dear friend. At we are also very happy to have two outstanding women with us here, calling to mind the towns, the Women's Month. We have Dr. Carmina Aquino and Miss Emmy Villar of the Towns Awards Foundation here. Thank you for coming. Alam niyo,
Robertine and Avignon, yes!
So, yes, I have a new mood, a new mindset about this. Thanks. Ito nga, tingnan niyo po, pinakamagandang model.
Model yan ng
So, guys,
Yan na sila Barbie at si Miss Boots. Kasama. Siyempre. Boss ng Abby, no? Owner. Nagpa-black scene nila yan. Para kay Barbie. Yun, no? Until she remembers, and now showing. Don't forget to subscribe, click the notification bell for more updates. This is with Charlie Action Vlog. Stay tuned for more videos. See ya.